Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust the interface size for EA Play app. And to do this we'll need to click on these three lines in the top left corner of your screen. Here go for the view, and now we can adjust the size with zoom in, zoom out option, or use the actual size. Also keep in mind that you can use the shortcut controls for it. So for example, control with equals will zoom in, and control with minus will zoom out, and the actual size is control plus O. Now let's try that. So control equals, and here we have it. And control O resets everything to default. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.